Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can link your post to your Snapchat story. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Snapchat on your phone. After you're on this page of Snapchat, simply click a photo for your story and you'll be guided to this page. Now on this page, on the right hand side, you'll see this pin option. Go ahead and click on it. Now to link your Instagram photo, what you have to do is go to Instagram first. So let's say I want to link this post to my Snapchat story. So what I'll have to do is click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and then click on this copy link option. After the link is copied, go back to Snapchat and paste the link there and then click on the search button. After you click on the search button, wait for it to load and the post will appear on your screen. Now what you have to do is simply click on this attach to snap option and the post has been attached to my Snapchat story. I hope this video helped you to link your Instagram post to your Snapchat story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.